Hello everyone, we're here at Ramon's backyard and we're trying to plant some tomatoes. Something that we're noticing here is that the soil looks like it hasn't been tilled ever, which is fine. One of the things that we're going to do is we're going to amend the soil. You know, it's very interesting. God formed man out of the dust of the ground. And the minerals that are found in the soil, our body needs to sustain life. So this is an amazing thing that how many things God can bring out of the soil. Like there's so much life that can come out of the soil. So what we're going to do is we're going to plant life, so to speak. So what we're going to do is we're going to plant some tomatoes. We're going to prepare the soil. We're going to add some calcium. And then we're also going to add some rock dust, which bring a lot of minerals back to depleted soils, which we have a lot of nowadays in the United States because of our agricultural practices. So what we're going to seek to do is cooperate with God to try to bring life into the soil and hence bring life onto ourselves by eating or partaking of the food that we're going to grow in that soil. So I hope this was helpful. Have a blessed day.